Swara, you rejoin your job. Now Pranav is also 1 year old. I can't manage the expense of the house with my own salary. I have to manage the expenses of the house, car, and other expenses. If you can join again, it will be easier for me.
And what about our child? Who will take care of him?
We will hire a babysitter for him.
No, Sanju. I can't leave my child in the hands of a babysitter and join a job. Not for 2 years at least. I will give time to my kid. And I told you, na, don't do so much hurry. You wanted big house, you wanted big car, but no, you don't have to listen to me. You want to be equal to your friends now.
Try to understand, please. I'm worried that how will I manage everything? How will I manage all the expenses? Please do it.
Fine, I'll join it.
Thank you.
Have you worked somewhere else before? No, sister, this is my first job. If you haven't done it yet, so how will you manage? Sister, I have 2 kids. I will take care of your kid like I take care of my kid. You don't worry at all. So till now you haven't worked, so now why do you want to work? Sister, my husband is bedridden. He was the one who was earning at home. After he met with an accident, everything is on me. My mother-in-law, my 2 kids, my husband, their responsibility. Everything is on me, sister. Okay. Look, you have to take care of the child, cook food, have to do cleaning and mopping. All the work you have to do. And your salary will be 15,000. And sister, when can I go home from work? Once we are back from office, you have to cook food for us. And after making the kids sleep, you can go. Sister, can't I go when you will be back from office? I have 2 kids. One is just 2 years old.
Look, we will come back from the office. We work all day and get tired. So we also need some rest. After we come back, cook for us and you can leave by 8:30 or 9.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You come by tomorrow.
Jyoti, I'm going to office. Pranav is sleeping. When he will wake up, you give him the milk and take care of home. Okay, sister. Look at here, look at here. Oh, my kid is awake. Hello, baby. Come. Shoni. Okay, Jyoti, listen. Prepare 1 cup of tea for me. And feed milk to Pranav as well. Your sir is about to come. Serve food to him. And then clean the kitchen and then you can go. Okay, sister. Baby. My baby. Sister, tea. Hello? How are you, my daughter? You both, brother and sister, had food or not? You're not troubling grandmother now? Whatever grandmother is cooking, eat that properly. And take care of your brother. Sister, I'll go and cook food for you. No, you let it be. I'll cook the food. You go to home. Why, sister? You didn't like my work? There is nothing like that, Jyoti. Your work is very good. What is it, na? I was the one being a mother, was not able to understand other mother's pain. Both of us have same condition. You also leave your kids and come here to earn. And I also go leaving my kid to earn. We both are helpless. And we both, because of our helplessness, leave our kids. Okay, once I come back from office, you can go then. No need to stay till 8 p.m. I come from office at 5 p.m. so you can go at 5 p.m. And your salary will be same. Really, sister? I won't forget this favor of yours. Thank you so much, sister. It's okay, now you go to your home, to your kids.